1,000 lot around 6M that accessible to all like malls, public markets, and other establishments in Antipolo. This unit is ready for occupancy. This property is located at Bunkers Village, Antipolo City. Malapit ito sa Robinson Mall and along Sumulong Highway ang subdivision. 24 hours ang transportation. Ito ang ating living and dining area. Meron din tayo ditong storage cabinet na pwede nyo paglagyan ng mga shoes or mga iba nyong gamit. Dito naman tayo. Meron din itong 1 toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Ito, meron na siyang 1 lavatory and 1 shower. Meron din tayo dito sa ground floor ng 1 bedroom. So, perfect siya para sa mga senior citizen kung meron kayong kasama niyan sa bahay. Or pwede nyong gawin stock room, office room. Ayan, pwede yan. Meron din tayong 1 kitchen with built-in cabinets. At ito naman ang ating service area. So, pwede kayo dito mag-relax, mga plantita dyan, o kaya pwede kayo maglaba. And meron din tayong 1 sink. Tara, tignan naman natin sa taas. Ito naman ang ating second floor na meron itong 3 bedrooms and 1 common toilet. Yan, meron na rin itong 1 lavatory and shower. Ito naman yung another bedroom natin. So, pwede ito sa mga single bed at meron din siyang built-in cabinets. O, diba? Ganda. Ito yung third bedroom. Pwede rin siya sa mga kids, ayan, or kaya ibang ng family nyo, meron din siyang built-in cabinets again. At dito naman tayo sa ating master's bedroom with toilet and bath. May built-in na rin siyang shower, lavatory and toilet, cabinets, meron din. At ang kagandahan nito ay meron din itong balcony. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng upuan or kaya mga plants na gusto nyo dito. Yan, napakaganda ng view. Kitang-kita nyo lahat. Ang lot area is 89 square meter at ang floor area naman is 91 square meter. The investment price is 6.3 million. To request sample computation and site viewing, contact us and don't forget to follow and share our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. And again, I'm Ella from DSRC Realty Marketing. For more videos, don't forget to like, follow, and share our Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.